I'm Lauren with Master Spas, and today we're going to talk about how to clean the filters in your swim spa. Are you ready? Let's get to it. Master Spa swim spas feature the EcoPur water management system, which makes it easier to keep your water clean and clear. As part of regular maintenance, it's important to rinse and clean your filters at least once a month. However, if you are using your swim spa more frequently, or there's more people hopping in, you should rinse the filters more often. To get started, you will need a garden hose, a 5-gallon bucket, filter cleaner, and a towel. Visit your local Master Spas dealer to stock up on filter cleaner and other swim spa supplies. It's a good idea to have a second set of filters because your swim spa filters will need to soak overnight and dry completely before you put them back in. Before removing the filters, turn off power to your swim spa. If you don't do this, other debris could be pulled into the filter fitting, and no one wants that. After removing all filters from the swim spa, remove the EcoPur Charge core from its outer filter and set it aside. You should never use chemicals to clean the EcoPur core as it will negatively affect the minerals inside it. Remove larger items, like leaves, from the folds of the filter. Next, spray down the filter with a garden hose to remove any remaining items. Fill your 5-gallon bucket with water and the filter cleaner. How much filter cleaner do you add? Check out the directions on the packaging. The filter needs to soak in the solution overnight. While your filter is soaking, rinse the EcoPur core with the garden hose. In the morning, rinse the filter and rinse it real good and dry completely before you put them back in. Leftover cleaner in the filter can cause your swim spa water to foam. The EcoPur outer filter and standard filters, when properly cared for, should last about a year. The EcoPur core will need to be replaced every 6 months. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more quick tip and how-to videos to tell you how to care for and enjoy your swim spa. Until then, we hope you make a splash.